Hey, I'm Talking Angela, and this is my dance academy. Time to learn this new spectacular dance routine. Hi, everyone! Are you ready to get moving? Because today, we'll be creating some real rock and roll vibes. Our base move is called the Shining Star. Let's stretch and bend our arms and legs like the rays of light from a star. Watch me, and let's do this together. I think you got it now. Great job. That wasn't too hard, right? Look, there are dance cards to your right. They show the dance moves to help you out. Watch them closely so you don't miss any steps. Let's hit the dance floor. Hey, someone dropped the mic on the stage and we gotta pick it up. Luckily, our next move looks like picking up the mic. See, let's just call it that. Now, let's learn pick up the mic step by step. It's easy and fun. All right, time to slay. Start with a shining star. Step to the left. Drop your arm all the way to the floor and pick it right up. Let's do this. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide your foot to the left and pick up the mic with your hand. Now we're vibing. You're in the mood and feeling the groove now. All right. Now turn the music up, loosen up, and keep moving your body. You're ready to rock and roll. Don't be afraid of looking silly. I think we're ready for the next move. This one is called Hype It Up. This is looking like a proper dance routine now. Let's hype up the crowd like we're on a real rock concert stage. Are you ready? First, step forward, clap your hands, and move your hands like you're wiping a table. Then, jump back like this. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Forward, clap, and wipe the table. Jump back. Wow, the crowd is going wild. What a glow up. You're doing amazing. I think we're ready for the final dance move. No cap, this dance is gonna be fire. We're calling this one the Magic Wand. Watch closely. Abracadabra! It's a special kind of magic spell that makes everyone sing and dance. Yeah, let's go! Let's try doing it together. Step forward with your right leg and circle that magic wand with your hands. Then step back to the starting position. This move is a bit trickier, but I'm sure you can pull it off with some practice. One last time. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Step forward, draw circles with your hands, and back again. You are slaying the dance floor. Rock and roll! Now those are some dance moves worth flexing. We've learned Shining Star, Pick Up the Mic, Magic Wand, and Hype It Up. And now, let's put them all together into one iconic dance routine. Keep an eye on the dance cards and follow my lead. Spread your arms and legs like a bright, shining star. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Bend down and pick up the mic. Next, let's hype it up. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Step forward, clap as you squat, and hype the crowd. Last up, Magic Wand. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Forward left, circles with hands, and back again. Let's do it all again. This dance just hits different now that we got the moves. Let's show the world how the stars shine. Pick up the mic. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Reach down and touch the floor. Yeah! Next, hype it up. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Step forward, clap and squat, shuffle hands, and back. Last up, Magic Wand. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Step and circle and back. Goals, it feels like the whole world is dancing with us. Your dancing is amazing. I'm high-key excited for us. Now you've learned it all. We should do the entire dance together, all right? Time to slay! And 5, 6, 7, 8. Shining Star! Pick up the mic. Incredible! believe you learned all the dance moves just like that. You're a great dance buddy. Make sure you see my other dance routines and stay tuned for more. Dancing is a never-ending adventure, so keep on shining.